All right, let's do another one together as well. So Aaron has 3 1/3 candy bars. He wants to give his friends each 2/3 of a candy bar. How many friends will get candy? So since this is a division problem, we need to write our division sentence as whole divided by part equals part. So in this case, we need to determine what the whole is so we can write our sentence accurately. So it says Aaron has 1 1/3 candy bars. That's what he has in total. So it didn't give you any other information about that. So that's just going to be our whole. And it says he wants to give his friends each 2/3 of a candy bar. So that means it's going to be broken up into 2/3 pieces. So we are going to write our division sentence as 3 1/3 divided by 2/3. Before we can start either of our strategies, we need to change that whole number into an improper fraction. So I'm going to take 3 1/3. I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. That gives me 9. And then I'm going to add the 1. That gives me 10. So this turns into 10/3 or 10/3 divided by 2/3. So now I'm going to start my keep change reciprocal strategy. So my first step is to keep the 10/3 the same, my first fraction the same, change my division sign to a multiplication sign, and find the reciprocal of that second fraction. So 2/3 is going to flip because I need to find the reciprocal. So it's going to turn into 3/2. Now I can finally multiply. 10 times 3 gives me 30. And 3 times 2 gives me 6. So I ended up with a improper fraction as an answer. We know 30 is bigger than 6. So we need to divide 30 by 6 in order to determine what my final answer will be. I can't keep my answer like that. So 6 can't go into 3 because 6 is too big, but can 6 go into 30? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. It can 5 times. 5 times 6 gives me 30, and 30 minus 30 is 0. So since I got 0 as my remainder, that means my answer is just a whole number, which is 5. It's not a mixed number because we don't have a remainder. We don't have any extra pieces, so it's just 5. And I have to write my answer in conjunction with the question. So it says how many friends will get candy? 5 friends will get candy. And then that will be your final answer.